Deep beneath the ice sheets of Antarctica, discoveries are hidden that are already turning scientists' understanding of our world upside down. During recent expeditions, researchers stumbled upon findings that immediately sparked a new wave of international interest in Antarctica. Research shows that buried beneath the ice are not only layers of frozen water, but also true artifacts of time, mysterious structures, and possibly even traces of ancient civilizations. These discoveries were already poised to reveal their astonishing secrets on the world stage. As we learn about new discoveries, we realize that even more is hidden in the icy depths, waiting for us to dare to look there. One such mystery is the ancient blanket of ice, beneath which it is believed secrets of the past are concealed. Ice and time. If time could speak, it would surely tell us the story of Antarctica's ancient ice. The ice layers, thanks to their strata, serve as a kind of time machine. Researchers describe them as an archive where each century is preserved to maintain the integrity and priceless information about Earth's past. These layers of ice can tell the story of eras long vanished, fossilized within their secrets. Some ice layers are hundreds of thousands of years old, and studying them reveals to us many mysteries about climate changes, catastrophic events, and extinct species. What happened on our planet in eras when humans had not yet set foot on this land remains a matter of speculation. Who knows what secrets of the past are hidden within these icy layers? Secrets that, once uncovered, could forever change our approach to studying the history of the Earth. But our journey into the past does not end there. The next layer is about to reveal something even more intriguing. Just imagine the scenes that unfold before scientists as they study the mysterious subglacial structures of Antarctica. These formations look as if someone deliberately carved them out of the ice, leaving behind strange shapes that defy easy explanation. In the depths of this frozen realm, they appear as moments captured in eternity, reminiscent of alien landscapes one might expect to see on other planets. But why are they here, and how could they have formed on this isolated continent? The scientific community is rife with speculation. Some theories link them to earthquakes, others to ancient volcanic activity, while some researchers claim they may be traces of long-vanished climatic processes. In any case, these structures present an incredible challenge for scientists striving to understand how invisible forces of nature can create such striking forms in the depths of a frozen world. Perhaps the answer lies hidden within microscopic organisms that became frozen into these static shapes. One only needs to look closer to uncover the mystery of these strange structures. But before we get closer to the answer, we'll have to take a look at the amazing creatures that somehow managed to survive in such extreme conditions. Life in the cold. Life takes on astonishing forms in the most unexpected places. Beneath 1,000 feet of Antarctic ice and snow lies a world that challenges our very notions of existence. In extreme conditions, where the temperature drops below freezing, there are creatures that have managed to adapt to this harsh environment. Microscopic organisms and bacteria, like hardened travelers, penetrate tiny ice pores, forming miniature ecosystems invisible to the naked eye. These miniature inhabitants, like living artifacts, open a new chapter for scientists in understanding how life can thrive far from sunlight and warmth. Their resilience and ability to adapt to the cold inspire hope in the search for life beyond Earth. Research on these unusual creatures not only deepens our knowledge of the possibilities of adaptation, but also hints at the potential for finding life in the most unexpected corners of the cosmos. The secret community of these organisms is not the only thing that excites the minds of researchers. To further lift the veil of mystery and understand how these creatures cope with the cold, we must delve deeper into the icy expanses, discovering landscapes that at first glance seem far removed from our home planet. Alien landscapes. When researchers describe the landscapes of Antarctica, they envision something more than just ice and snow. This distant continent is often compared to extraterrestrial landscapes. Its harsh, mystery-filled expanses seem almost unreal. The pole of cold, with its endless wide expanses, sometimes resembles a Martian desert or the icy moons of giant planets. This impression is heightened when scientists discover incredible subglacial landscapes there. Many of them are hidden from view by all sorts of atmospheric phenomena and may closely resemble the surfaces of distant exoplanets. But what does this mean for science? Can Antarctica be used as a model for studying other planets? Experts believe that it can. Research in such areas not only broadens our understanding of landscape development on Earth, but also helps to model future space missions. And although these unexplored landscapes of Antarctica evoke an astonishing sense of isolation, within this apparent alienness, familiar life may be hidden. In their search for answers to the mysteries of this continent, scientists are also finding traces of ancient microbes that are just waiting to open new chapters in the study of life on Earth. Ancient microbes. Beneath the thickness of the Antarctic ice, scientists are discovering true wonders of microscopic life, frozen for millions of years. Ancient microbes, awakened to life thanks to modern research, are opening up new horizons in our understanding of the development of living organisms. These invisible representatives of the ancient world inspire awe with their resilience and remarkable survival abilities. In an effort to unravel the secret of their survival, scientists isolate these organisms in laboratories, uncovering important insights into how life could adapt to harsh and extreme conditions. The possibility of reviving them and restarting their life processes leads researchers to consider that similar organisms might exist elsewhere in our solar system. It is possible that these microbes could capture moments from the past, offering keys to understanding the most important transitional periods in Earth's history. But the journey into the world of microscopic life beneath the Antarctic ice is only just beginning. Deep within the ice cover, entire ecosystems are hidden, locked away in underground lakes, still awaiting their discoverers and ready to share their wonders, quite literally melting beneath our feet. Underground lakes. Not long ago, researchers discovered astonishing underground lakes beneath kilometers of Antarctic ice, true reservoirs of ancient water, unchanged for millions of years. These hidden bodies of water have become real windows into a world that humans are only beginning to understand. They offer scientists a unique opportunity to peer into ecosystems that are completely isolated from the outside world and have developed entirely independently of sunlight and oxygen. It is possible that the presence of water in such unusual conditions points to ancient climatic processes that played a key role in shaping our planet. Dark and mysterious subglacial lakes, surrounded by centuries-old ice, may conceal life capable of thriving in such an extreme environment. It is precisely these bodies of water that offer a chance to discover organisms that could reveal unknown mechanisms of existence and survival. The study of underground lakes opens up unprecedented opportunities for science. But to understand even more about the uncharted world beneath the ice, we must turn our attention to hypotheses and theories that offer incredible explanations, and consider Antarctica not only from a scientific perspective but also as a potential source for more fantastical interpretations of reality. By turning to these theories, we open the door to a world where science and mysticism can intertwine in unexpected ways. Conspiracy theories. In the cold embrace of Antarctica, where time seems to stand still, many wonder, what if beneath the icy crust lie not only scientific mysteries, but secrets that can only be explained through the lens of unknown forces? Some researchers, rejecting established theories, claim that corners of the continent may conceal artificial structures or traces of ancient civilizations. Supporters of conspiracy theories believe that Antarctica has long become a base for extraterrestrial beings, or that it hides evidence of pole shifts that could have radically affected the planet. Rumors about secret military bases, launched beneath the icy domes by Nazi Germany, swirl in the minds of many conspiracy theorists, adding an element of espionage and intrigue to an already mysterious landscape. Perhaps these ideas are far removed from reality, but they still find their followers, adding countless questions to the tapestry of mysteries surrounding the continent. But could these fantastic stories conceal a grain of truth that resonates with our fears and dreams? Or are they merely illusions, born from our desire to see more than what nature hides? To get closer to the answer, we must first expose some of the most chilling and intriguing theories, maintaining a balance between skepticism and curiosity. The continent theory. Just think about it. Millions of years ago, Antarctica was not an icy wasteland at all. Imagine this land as a tropical paradise surrounded by greenery and inhabited by all kinds of life forms. It's hard to imagine, but this is confirmed by scientific evidence. Studies of ice samples and fossils show that this continent was once home to dense forests and a diverse range of fauna. Scientists have discovered remains of ancient plants and even dinosaur fossils. These discoveries provide a unique opportunity to trace the changes in the continent's climate and ecosystem. Antarctica was once part of the supercontinent Gondwana, before glaciation turned it into a cold pole. These ancient plants and organisms tell stories about the incredible transformations the Earth has undergone. The history of Antarctica is a testament to the powerful natural forces capable of reshaping the face of the planet. Such a transformation makes one wonder whether its past can shed light on the future of our planet, where climate change will once again alter our landscapes and ecosystems. In search of these answers, we are approaching even more incredible discoveries that are ready to amaze us and turn our scientific understanding upside down. Sensational discoveries. A new discovery has emerged in Antarctica, forcing us to reconsider our history anew. Recently discovered artifacts and evidence hidden beneath thick layers of ice are challenging established scientific theories. Scientists have found not just fossils, but entire fragments of ancient civilizations that may have lived in these places millions of years ago. These discoveries not only broaden our understanding of the past, but could also overturn many history books. Various tools and structures found beneath the ice point to complex communities that we previously had no idea existed. These sensational discoveries open up new horizons for modern science, forcing researchers to reconsider the timelines and history of the ancient world. Undoubtedly, they will raise even more questions. How did such complex structures end up beneath Antarctica, and why have the traces of their existence remained so well preserved in this frozen world? These questions remain unanswered for now, but they pave the way for new research and opportunities. However, these discoveries are not the only things drawing attention. There are still other mysteries on the continent. They are hidden in icy outcrops, gorges, and fjords ready to reveal themselves if only one dares to peer into their frozen heart. And absolute certainty of their existence could turn our understanding upside down beyond recognition. Icy secrets. As we venture deeper into the heart of Antarctica, we encounter icy fjords and gorges that border its harsh landscape. These breathtaking emerging features are a reminder of an unknown world, frozen in icy shackles. Deep crevasses and ice caves, like gateways to other worlds, enticed with their mystery and hidden secrets that few dare to even dream about. The architecture of these natural formations can tell stories that have yet to be recorded in any book. Perhaps it is here, in these silent corridors, that traces of long-lost eras and civilizations are hidden, blurring the boundaries between reality and myth. Numerous deposits and formations created under the pressure of the ice carry both geological evidence and possible traces of organic life. In their attempts to unravel the alluring mysteries of these icy secrets, scientists face the challenge of finding the fine line between physical facts and fantastical assumptions. At every turn, they proceed carefully, noting each element of this captivating world enshrouded in legends. But perhaps all of this only leads to even more mystical discoveries. After all, in the depths of these subglacial landscapes, something is hidden, just waiting to continue the story of this mysterious continent. Looking ahead, we realize that the next chapter of Antarctica may largely depend on those who will explore these secluded corners using innovative technologies such as research robots. Research robot. A world that has been hidden from us for millions of years is gradually being revealed thanks to new technologies. Research robots venture into the silent depths of the ice, tasked not only with peering into places inaccessible to humans, but also with collecting the most reliable data possible for science. These robots, equipped with modern sensors and cameras, have become the true heroes of Antarctic expeditions. They move through icy tunnels and dive into deep underground lakes, transmitting data in real time that would have been inaccessible to us in the past. Every movement and every photograph is a major discovery for the scientific community. The robots analyze the composition of the ice, measure environmental parameters, and search for traces of organic life that would go unnoticed without their help. Scientists use this data to create more accurate models of climate change and to understand the evolution of life in extreme conditions. But research robots are not just assistants in scientific studies. They also offer hope for finding life on other planets, since operations in Antarctica are in many ways similar to the exploration of planetary bodies. Modern technologies are proving themselves so effective that all we can do is imagine what else might be discovered with their help. But behind the veil of combined research and innovation lies the realization that perhaps not everything in this man-made world is ready to reveal all its secrets. The impact of such discoveries may prove to be even deeper for our understanding of Earth's climate and just how unique it is in its variability. And now we face the next stage. How will these achievements change our understanding of global climate change? Impact on the climate. The discoveries made in Antarctica are not only fascinating but also extremely important for our understanding of climate variability. By studying ancient ice layers, scientists can determine carbon dioxide levels and other parameters that shed light on Earth's climatic past. This knowledge helps us predict the changes that await us if we do not consider the ecological future of our planet. Subglacial lakes and microscopic organisms existing in extreme conditions serve as evidence of how life can adapt to changes in the environment. Understanding these adaptations can help in developing strategies to address current climate challenges. These discoveries give scientists the opportunity to make predictions and develop models that may prove vital for planning our actions in the future. With each new discovery, Antarctica becomes a key point in the process of understanding the climate. This knowledge can be not only a cause for concern, but also a source of inspiration for innovative solutions. By uncovering the secrets of the icy continent, we are getting ever closer to the moment when we will be able to consciously influence climate trends, protecting our planet. But despite this, questions about the future still remain, and new expeditions are appearing on the horizon, full of hope for unraveling even more significant mysteries. Future expeditions. Let us suppose that the most exciting part of this story is still ahead. With new technologies and growing interest in the forbidden corners of Antarctica, grand prospects are opening up for scientists. Future expeditions, equipped with advanced robots and innovative methods, are ready to explore previously unseen frontiers. Imagine what they might discover, perhaps unknown forms of life, unique geological phenomena, or even more ancient secrets that could shed light on dramatic climate changes. Ultra-precise instruments and well-equipped research teams are planning to delve deeper into the eternal snows, forging paths to mysterious caves and hidden places whose existence we can only guess at for now. Each expedition grows bolder, aiming for new regions and objectives. This may prove to be a challenge not only for science, but also for the imagination, which is capable of revising theories about the development of the Earth. But what makes these upcoming journeys even more exciting is the possibility of broadening our horizons in the search for life on other planets. The experience gained from Antarctic expeditions could serve as a foundation for interplanetary research, and it is precisely this that gives hope that one of the most mysterious places on the planet will finally reveal its secrets. Scientists are confident that this is only the beginning, and soon Antarctica will bring us even more astonishing discoveries, changing the very way we understand our world. What other secrets might be revealed to us? We will find out soon. Antarctica continues to amaze, revealing secrets that radically change our perception of the world. The ocean of sensational discoveries opens up new horizons for us, making us reconsider our relationship with the Earth. In this remote, icy land, we encounter unique evidence of life's resilience and natural phenomena that may serve as keys to solving global problems. These scientific discoveries not only expand our knowledge of the past, but also inspire us to take action for the future of the planet. The discoveries made in Antarctica compel us to reflect on the climate, demanding swift and decisive action. Every microorganism found, every layer of ancient ice is a step toward realizing the significance of planetary changes and adaptation. Such achievements in research remind us that the future of the Earth is in our hands. We are in for a fascinating journey into the heart of the unknown, where science and nature work in tandem. Through these discoveries, we gain invaluable experience and inspiration capable of transforming our aspirations. Earth is a remarkable planet, and Antarctica is the key that helps unlock its hidden chapters. We eagerly await the continuation of this incredible scientific expedition, which will dramatically change our history and our attitude toward life itself.